So today I'm going to show you how to trim your fringe. The first thing that you want to do is section off the area that is your fringe and just clip that out of the way so you've only got your fringe to be dealing with. Okay, now my hair is pretty thick, so normally what I would do is split it in half as well, so that I'm just doing the front bit. Okay, next thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is straight so that it's as even as possible. So just straighten your fringe in little sections. I obviously have some very sharp hairdressing scissors. I would recommend that you at least get some half decent scissors. What I would do is I'm following my face rather than obsessing about it being a straight line initially. As you can see, I have it quite round, so it goes around in a line around my face. Okay, so I like these little side bits, so I just comb them down and then I go in and I'm just trimming around the shape of my face. About 1 centimetre or just under to start with, because you can always take off more, but you can't stick it back on. Then you want to do the same on the other side. I wouldn't go all the way across because you might get higher and higher. You just want to go just above that eyebrow kind of thing, leave the bit in the middle. Okay, so now you're aiming to do the same kind of thing on the other side. Okay, so now back over here, just going to tidy that up a little bit. And I've just got my little bit in the middle, left. Not too bad. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that little thing there. Okay. Drop down the top bit. Make sure that's nice and smooth. Okay, so now you should have your guide from underneath to help you with just really matching that up, okay? So again, we're following this shape of my face, about 1 centimetre away from my face, all the way around this side, okay? Combing it all down. Stopping above the eyebrow. Okay, and then this side. Okay, now re-straighten your fringe, because obviously it's just going to stick out otherwise. When we come back to this section now, I'm going to go in and just tidy up that little bit there and tidy it up here, okay? Still the same kind of thing. So don't panic at any point, just take it easy, take your time, comb it down, going around here. Okay. Okay, and then the last little bit here. Make sure there's no little stragglers coming over. about how it's going to fall on your face. And not everyone's faces are perfectly symmetrical, so sometimes it looks better to be following the line of your face rather than the line of a ruler or anything else that's straight. And then what I'm going to do with this is just to point cut it, which means that it's just going to soften that kind of extreme, although I quite like it quite blunt, it's just going to soften the very bluntness of it. New word for the day, bluntness. I mean, bluntness is a word, right? Anyway, so here we go. So then what you need to do, this is point cutting. Okay, and what you're doing is you're just softening that line, just softening it, so that rather than these very sort of straight bits, just softening the edge. So it's still got that blunt finish, but just a bit more of a, I guess more of a professional kind of look to it. Okay. And then finally what I would do is just take these little bits up, and then you're combing it up, putting it between your fingers, and then just chopping up into the hair to soften it. So this is especially good if you do something and you're not totally pleased with it, just to soften the line at the bottom. You know, the blunt fringe is reasonably tricky. Just take it up, put it between your fingers. Be careful not to chop up too high, and chop your actual finger. And there we go. Ooh. There we go. One fringe trim. Bam.